Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to go live on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now, swipe left or right to locate the live option. Once you find the live option, tap on the stream icon. It will take a few seconds to start a broadcast on your internet connection. And you will go live on Instagram. Once you're finished with your live session, tap on the X button from the upper right corner to stop it. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to go live on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.